Hello everyone, I am Sonam from Pabbly team and this video is for all the people who wants to sync their CRM contacts with Google Contacts. So here in this particular video, I am going to sync my Salesforce CRM contacts with Google Contacts in such a way that whenever a new contact is created in Salesforce CRM, it will be automatically added to the Google Contacts as well. Well, you must be thinking, what is the benefit of this automation? Well, Google Contacts are easily accessible from the phone as well. So in case you want to talk to your customers over phone, over email, you do not wait to first log into your application, basically to your CRM application. You can actually communicate with your customers anytime in few minutes and from any place. So basically this is going to fasten up your customer interaction. The more the communication, the better the conversion will be. So do not just watch this video, open your laptop or computer and create this automation along with me. So firstly, open your browser and type pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Well, this is the automation software with the help of which we are actually going to integrate both Salesforce and Google Contacts. First, create your free account in this software. Well, I already have an account, that's why I am going to sign in. Well, let me tell you, the account creation in Pabbly Connect is absolutely free and you will also get 100 free tasks and you can actually test this automation for free. Okay, I'm getting login in. Now click on Pabbly Connect Access now and you will reach to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you will have to click on this blue button and give a name to your workflow. I am giving the name as Salesforce to Google Contacts Automation. Alright. Now click on create and you will find two boxes in front of you. Let me tell you about those two boxes on which our automation is going to actually work, on the principle of which, okay? So this is known as trigger. This is known as action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. Let me tell you with an example. Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, send an email via Gmail application. Another example, when the form is submitted, let's say Google Form application, share a file via Google Drive application. According to our use case, whenever the contact is created in Salesforce, add the same contact in Google Contacts application. That is why in trigger step, I am going to choose Salesforce as my first application. Here it is. And in trigger event, I am going to choose whenever the new contact is created. Okay, click on connect. And click on add new connection, click on this blue button connect with Salesforce and it is going to ask you the access for the same, basically the access of your Salesforce. Allow it, don't worry, Pabbly Connect is 100% safe. You can actually provide the access. Authorization is successful. Now click on save and send test request and let's see what is the response I am getting. Okay. You can see a response is received and few data has been fetched out automatically. Basically, the recent contact which has got added in Salesforce has been captured here. Read what is written over there. This trigger will check for the new data in every 3 hours. So every 3 hours it will check the data. If there is a new contact, it will capture the data here in Pabbly Connect. Now our first step is connecting Salesforce with Pabbly Connect first and capturing the data here. So let's go to Salesforce. All right, and I am going to make a dummy entry. Basically, I am going to create a dummy contact in Salesforce and we'll see whether that entry is added to Pabbly Connect or not, in order to check whether my account, my connection is working fine or not. Click on plus, click on new contact, and let's say Mrs. is the salutation, first name is the dummy, last name is the name, email, let's say admin@pabblytudes.com. okay, sorry, phone number, well, I am adding any random no phone number. Okay, account, let's keep it blank, title, if you want you can actually give it. For now I am leaving it. Click on save. You can see the contact dummy name was created. Let's go back to Pabbly Connect and check whether this data has been added to my Pabbly Connect or not. Okay, let me check the details. And you can see the name, the dummy name, basically the salutation, the full name is here. Where are the other details? Here you can see the phone number is here. That means our first step of our integration is actually working fine. Now moving further and going to select the Google Contacts as my next application, because I want to add the data which I have just captured in Salesforce to my Google Contacts. Here in action event, I am going to choose, of course, the create contact. Click on create. Again, click on add new connection. Click on connect with Google Contacts. Again, it will ask you the access. Simply provide the access of that particular account in which you would like to sync those contacts. Click on continue and okay, you can see the authorization is successful. Again, that means my Google Contact is actually connected with Pabbly Connect. Well, we need to fill the same data which we received from Salesforce here only, but we do not have to actually copy it. Simply click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Simply map the fields one by one. In first name, I'm going to map the name. In last name, leave it the middle name. In last name, I am going to map the last name. Okay, here is the last name, and another thing is the name's prefix. I can map the same from here only. All right, what is the suffix? Leave it. Gender, it is unspecified. Email, work email. Well, I have provided the email as well. Let me map the same. Where it is, here is the email ID, and I am actually leaving all the fields blank because I do not actually require it. In case you require it, you can map it. All I need is the phone number. Okay, so that is why I am going to map the last thing which I need. Okay, phone number. Now I have filled all the required data. Let's click on save and send test request. Where is the button? Well, there are a lot of fields blanks. Okay, let's click on save and send test request and you will see the contact will be added immediately. But before that, let me open my Google Contacts first. Okay, and see the data first. Here is my Google Contacts account. You can see no contacts yet. Let's click on save and send test request and waiting for the response. Okay, the response is received. Let me even check my Google Contacts once. Okay, let's refresh it. And you can see Miss Dummy name, the admin name, basically the email is here, the phone number is here. That means my automation is working absolutely fine. Well, now onwards, whenever I'm going to add any new contact in Salesforce, it will be added to my Google Contacts as well. Generally, people ask me that after creating this automation in Pabbly Connect, do they need to do any particular setting again and again? No, let me tell you, once you have set up this automation under Pabbly Connect will do its job in backend. You do not have to do anything. Whenever someone is going to add the contact here, it will be synced automatically in Google Contacts. And now if you want to contact this person via email, if you want to call them, you can actually do it via your phone and from anywhere, anytime. In case you want the link of this automation which I have just created, I am going to add it in my description box, this link, so that you can directly clone the same workflow in your account. You just have to connect your applications and you are good to go. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.